Today, we will be reviewing what alternate day fasting is, how it can help people with health complications such as prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, heart problems, and many others. We will also discuss some potential pros and cons of ADF, along with some tips to get you started. ADF is a type of intermittent fasting basically involving fasting for a day and eating normally for the next day. Typically, little to no calories are consumed on fasting days. One of the more common versions of ADF is modified fasting, where you eat around 500 calories or 20 to 25% of your energy requirement a day. Some may choose to do ADF because they find having to diet daily depressing or even demanding. ADF gives you room to ease into dieting slowly, as it may be more tolerable to do it every other day rather than every day. ADF also has other benefits which we will be discussing now. The first benefit is, of course, weight loss. Although not as effective as the traditional daily diet, there are studies showing that ADF may help obese and overweight adults lose 3 to 8% body weight within 2 to 12 weeks. By reducing calorie intake on fasting days, it creates a calorie deficit and leads to weight loss over time. It is also discovered that weight loss is accelerated when increased physical activity is combined with ADF. Benefit 2: improved insulin secretion and sensitivity. Studies suggest that ADF may help improve the secretion of insulin and its sensitivity, which is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. This can be especially beneficial for the metabolic health of individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. ADF can also aid in your heart health, as a better metabolic health reduces the risk of heart diseases like strokes. The last benefit among others that we will be discussing is reduction in inflammation. Some research indicates that ADF or intermittent fasting can help reduce inflammation due to weight loss, etc., and potentially improve conditions associated with inflammation. Some of these conditions include Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, asthma, multiple sclerosis, stroke, and others. People who are generally healthy and within normal weight ranges can still try ADF, as these benefits may still apply. That being said, ADF's results may vary from person to person. It is also not for everyone. Here are some potential drawbacks with ADF. The first drawback would be hunger. Everyone reacts to hunger differently. Some people may find fasting very challenging with an increase in their hunger and cravings, while others may think of it as a walk in the park. Having to adhere to a diet can also prove difficult to those who may not have this practice. Compensatory hunger might also result from such calorie restrictions. Compensatory hunger refers to a growth in hunger as a result of a diet, causing people to eat more when they can eat. According to studies done, many who have tried ADF said that their hunger diminishes after the first 2 weeks or so. Other potential downsides might also include fatigue, insomnia, irritability, headaches, and nausea if you are not used to skipping meals or not having enough food for a period of time. When fasting, you are also likely to face nutrition deficiencies. It is important to listen to your body and pay attention to any signs it may be giving to you. If you are planning to try alternate day fasting, I would recommend seeking professional advice if you have health complications before starting. Another tip would be to ease into dieting, as it will definitely help by allowing your body to adjust. Also, stay hydrated on fasting days with water or other low-calorie alternatives such as tea. Many people find that it's best to eat a big meal late in the day on fasting days, while others prefer splitting into 2 or even 3 smaller meals. Some prefer drinking soup, but the suggestion I would give is to focus on nutritious, high-protein and low-calorie meals with more vegetables. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what may work well for others might not necessarily do the same for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something worthwhile today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, check out the Health Matters channel.